Yes muganda wange nkubuuza ko nnyo gwe ali ku Nutty yugi nkubuuza ko nnyo weebale kubeera nga olaba Nutty yugi naye nga jjukira nti no akatambi k'entansi nako keko wali big size Bebe Cool era nga bwe twogera nti no ali wali South Africa muganda wange okubeera nga akola touches ku break the chains album muganda wange gwe olaba Nutty yugi wali wonna era nga atugambye nti no album eno egenda kubeera nga efuluma soon muganda wange gwe olaba Nutty yugi break the chains album eri coming soon muganda wange gwe
down in a safe room and here at the top cash at the bank brings me down to do some beautiful work for you guys, so get ready. Break the chains is the reason that we here.
Nkyali n'omunene wali big size muganda wange Bebe Cool avuddeyoko n'ayogera wali ku kya maama wa Moze Radio ku milioni 3.5 bambizi yali anoonya okukavaringa munnange ekifo kino mutabani we kyeyaleka nga tamazeeyo kusasula ali mu kunoonya milioni 3.5 naye nga Bebe Cool wali avuddeyoko bambi n'abaako kyayogera ku issue eno muganda wange era nga kekana akatambi ngenda kubeera nga nkakulekera ate ndyoke nkomewo muganda wange.
So this lady comment or say or do, I don't know whether it was an interview or it was a setup by one of, and please artists, please tell your mothers and fathers and family members to stop engaging public without talking to you. And for this case, of course, radio is dead. The brother, the so-called, there's a name that usually rings. Ebo, what's the guy's name? The radio, the late brother? Frank. Mama, please always consult from Frank. And Frank, if it is you who guided Mom to make that mistake and utter those words, that was the worst mistake you could ever do, because it only showed selfishness. You could have waited 3 months from now to say the same if you really had to say it. But at a time in a week when Weasel has the first ever concert since he lost his friend, it was definitely an indicator that you're trying to say that since it's celebrating good life, you have to give me my share, blah, blah, blah. But what share has Weasel really taken since radio died? Apart from humiliation, life has humiliated Weasel. Until the last video I saw him when he had gone to